Hello friends! Welcome to Crazy Srimanta. We'll improve our English speaking skills and learn something new. So if you're ready, stay with me until the end. Now, let's get started.
It's 6 o'clock, time to wake up. I feel fresh today. I turn off the alarm. Today will be a great day. I'm full of positive energy. Let's continue my morning routine.
I am out of bed now. Today is full of opportunities. I stretch my body and feel relaxed. Early mornings are peaceful. Let's move to the next step. Come with me, let's continue. First, I make my bed. A clean room looks beautiful. I arrange my pillow. Everything should be neat. Let's open the window. My day starts positively. Every little habit matters. Now my room is ready. I am ready for the next step. Let's keep moving. Come with me. Let's open the window. I open the window. Fresh air comes inside. The morning is beautiful. Positive energy. It gives me to the kitchen. Let's go to the day. See you in the next scene.
Now I am in the kitchen. First, I drink a glass of water. Drinking water is a healthy habit. Our body needs water every day. I always drink water after waking up. The water looks clean and fresh. I feel refreshed now. Let's go to the kitchen. I feel refreshed now. Water is very important for our health. Come with me to the bathroom.
Now I am in the bathroom. I put some toothpaste on it. I clean every tooth.
I brush for 2 minutes every morning. Clean teeth keep my smile bright. Good oral hygiene is very important. My mouth feels fresh and clean. I smile at myself in the mirror. I feel more confident now. A healthy smile makes me happy. Next, come with me. Let's continue English together. See you in the next scene. Now it is time to wash my face. I turn on the tap. Clean water feels cool. Feels cool. I splash water on my... It feels fresh and relaxing. Now I use a little face wash. I wash my face gently. I clean my forehead. A clean face gives me confidence. I feel awake now. A clean face gives me confidence. I enjoy my morning routine. Every small habit is important. Next, I will take a shower. Come with me. A shower makes me feel fresh. It also gives me new energy. I wear fresh clothes. I feel comfortable now. I look clean and neat. I am ready for a wonderful day. Let's continue learning English together. I comb my hair carefully. I feel fresh after my shower. I am full of energy. Every morning is a new beginning. Today will be a wonderful day. I am excited to learn new things. I am excited to meet my friends. My morning routine is almost complete. My morning routine is almost some simple.
Now it is time to exercise. First, I stretch my neck. Then I stretch Now I stretch my shoulders. Now I stretch my legs. Enjoy exercising every morning.
Let's start with jumping jacks. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we jog. Breathe it in. I smile because I feel great. Morning exercise gives me energy. Let's continue our healthy morning routine. That's all for today's video. I hope you learned something helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Check out the next video too. Thank you for watching. Keep learning and keep smiling. Bye-bye.